The roof. Yeah, you can go on the roof. There's different things that go on up there. I guess depending upon the time of year. You can see some of the old intricacies of the place that they've sort of painted all the pipe work and all that would otherwise be all rusted out if this place was abandoned. So cool. Let's go in this place and check it out, guys. This place smells like Carmel Mall in Carborough, which is a small little mall. Has that old mill smell that's been renovated. Well, it's real cool. Look at the stairwell. Tell they put a lot of money into it. Little candy store. Oh, so sorry. That's cool. East offices. Yeah, this place is like a huge Carmel Mall.
Yeah.
That's got to be the smallest mall in America, Carmel Mall. Yeah, it's just one little hallway. So that's the place you were talking about?
Yeah, in fact, as we're walking around, I'm gonna grab a beer. They sell beers to go.
Oh yeah, I'll do that with. Yeah. Cerveza time, guys. What? We don't go to the bar and choose?
No, we get it. Oh, we get it right here.
Oh,
Let's see. That's a good question. Maybe we can.
yeah. Let's get out of this crowd. Cool little place. Look at that. Oh.
It's all Mexican beers. They're all in this one. It'll say bottle feeder draft.
Can I get a Dos Equis on draft?
Yeah.
Thank you. Good old Dos Equis. Sorry. El Minera. I had to get a little footage for you. This cool toy store. The Carmel Mall. Speaking of Carmel Mall, they have a toy store that's similar to this. But it's always cool to see an original toy store that's an independent toy store. Well, anything that's independent, it's always kind of neat. But as you can see, they got a little of everything. That's awesome. Huh. I wanted to get some footage. I'm sorry, I don't have sound to this, so I'm having to do a voiceover. I don't know, this part of the film didn't have any audio. So anyway, I wanted to get some footage of that stained glass window, and in a little while, you'll see the old mill doors. I love the big sliding doors that were used in mills back in the late 19th century, early 20th century even. But yes. So Bryce and I are back out. We're walking around the mall, and in a little while, it's pretty cool. They have an old elevator. I think it was an old elevator generator that it was the first generator they used. So that was pretty cool. And there's some history on the old Sears Roebuck building on this little placard. So I thought that was really cool that they had that in there. And I really love the building, though. It was they really pretty cool how they take these old mills and they do so much with them, you know. Sometimes you think they can't be restored, and they somehow are able to do it anyway. So 1926 was the opening day when it first opened. See, the Sears Roebuck in Atlanta. Pretty cool. 30,000 shoppers passed through. And yeah, you'll get to. Then here's the the elevator motor. That's really cool. Always cool to have a little history of the place to let you know what it once was. And there's the parking garage. You can see through there. That's pretty cool how they did that, where you can kind of walk to your car from the hallway. And but anyway, thank you all for joining us, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much.